is expected to go back to Meira Dada. So what is really happening? What is really happening is that now you said and say the Cedi no rates now 15.50 pesos and now 16 cedis no. For some miracle and I say Ukraine Russia war and I say via Israel Iran war no. About from say who so now and amount forecast say so they good but then it's not reflecting on the market and say be an IMF so the report about say the Bank of Ghana should stop interfering in the FS rate, that's the foreign exchange rate, because according to them, no, the real value of the Cedi, no, that is not what is being projected.
Yeah.
And I'm even hearing say, companies and institutions like the U.S. Embassy, they are still using the old rate. You see the visa integrity fee, $250 as I become home. So all of these amount forecasts will be boom. Near that sorry, apart from the IMF signaling said the Cedi, no, Kamako say Ghana, currency manipulation of Fitch, almost what my predictor say, as you can see or say. The Cedi will rise up.
Okay, so say Fitch predicts Cedi to end the year at 15.50 pesos to the dollar. And okay. Just say, I think about $10 and them say Cedi no, it's me appreciate you bear 10 point something. Yeah, chile say I think about no. Na a depreciating aqua could do 15.50 pesos.
Okay.
Say the ye name no. Now Uyobia follow this world trade, world economy, you realize that Fitch Solutions, a global research firm,
okay.
A banosa sikasemni economy, money there, research a kapa. And to say from January to July, Omato Moboa air research air share where a dollar no air Cedi no the rate no. And we say, yeah, we shouldn't even be stressing ourselves. A bedroom by December, near drew 15.50 pesos to $1. But the amount for the edge, didn't say, and che be a Absa Bank. Wow, nim Absa Bank, Ubagana, Hakra, Omu crab predicted say by the end of the year, no, Cedi no ebe depreciate 14 cedis to $1. And to wish more between and no need a kind of saying Fitch for air cano is not really far.
Yeah.
I mean 15.50 14 there. Not just say the rumor because the last time I make a show behind doors say I've spoken to somebody and the person was telling me say within some few months and you say a better rise. Yes. I told you just last week and I make us natural. So you could realize there is something fishy going on as a Ghana for ye nim like we were saying. Yeah, they nim the air cost ama Cedi no etimi aye like fixed set 10 point something. Meanwhile,
I even learned said they could have even taken it if anything
to 5 cedis kura.
Exactly.
But amount for say NCC so omo I said baby cost
because price of goods, general goods and services
still they're
a cost report. Prices have increased. So the question is price has increased no.
Amama Kaye, you one of the NDC, I think, is a communication member or hold a portfolio like that. No, Kasapana Dokuno boy, I feel by news and said Dokuno, Ateteswan, or Sinanzi undi Dokuno. Or Sinanzi undi Dokuno, and a comment section, one say, Ube de Dokuno. So I buy a bapa and say, Ube di better, Ube di rich, Unko di Dokuno. So how would you tell us, Dokuno Ebwa Kosura na Dokuno Boako form? So, like you are saying, prices of goods in the Ebi Kosorono, Nebi Suda baby, Dana, yen share down who any significant change in the economy, Bia Sade. But amount for amazed at the rate as a Ghana for a dean, they are not really saying much.
Most of them pay one say okay say maybe Akufo-Addo also any otike mu Akufo-Addo apu na obi ebisa say enya wan na vote mu na obi a say enya no vote you see ano wan mu na vote ma mahama
yenimo
etim
oh but it say oh yeah there
anyway you read the way I am for into screen so na reading by me. This is the detailed report from the Fitch Fitch na yeka wan sem no reporter on the by you read it.
Okay, so also despite a stellar run by the Ghanaian Cedi in early 2025, making it the world's best performing currency so far this year, global research firm Fitch Solutions projects the local currency will depreciate to 15.50 per US dollar by the end of the year. Said in a year canon. if we are financial saying you say Cedi no yes why President Mahama ina you say Cedi no I say nyana ho den any ade man for ebo Mahama abaso so we de wayade but Fitch Solutions are omo global research firm ni trim say afini be query any day na che say 15.50 pesos to $1. Now seeing its latest report, high gold prices will shield Ghanaian economy from tariff fallout. Fitch forecast an average exchange rate of 15.13 per dollar for 2025, citing persistent structural pressures and global headwinds into Chima. Say no just say gold prices no enebia ebeboa economy ni kakra say the baby timi agina brand but agrone form de ye be share no na say dollar no 15.30 kwata to a Cedi. Na omu echire mu say de be ma na basa no structural pressures structural pressures recently kwani ye ka say ye ka say mampani kwa wontwetwe sika bi ni ade na obetwetwe nkofo bi sika say sika ni nyina start say for na say pressure aba beda Cedi ni so denya ebe depreciate na afensu globally no mampani ekufado former when they were the tonyum sa mayete Ukraine Russia war COVID-19 be yes say enche ebia ye better ne say we mu so ka Iran ni Israel for war no mo dey excuse
NDC put the anko many excuses so say tariff Ghana for the special tariff levy
jai you say who can o say omo ni omo gusu COVID levy no
I thought no muso me
they are still taking it. I went to a restaurant last Saturday. Yes. Saturday me go restaurant. Yeah, they me bread me be on bread. Me hand say COVID levy shall say.
But I think say it will have to be say be a budget, you know.
The
previous budget, you know, it was included. So be say adnom ka some be systematic. You can't just eradicate all the taxes.
In a train me who yan say VAT but say go COVID levy so nebo but let's see how it goes. So the projection is more conservative than Absa Bank's 14 citizen of the year forecast. Not just say Absa Bank so be kind say afin query near 14 citizens. Also the Cedi has staged a remarkable comeback in recent months, appreciating 17.17% since the start of the year. From 15.83 in January, it traded at 13.50 on the retail market as of May 19th, thanks largely to surging gold prices and improved macroeconomic fundamentals. So from Cedi net to me I appreciate 17.17% because I finished as an at 15.83 and they call me 16 cedis and about 13.50 and as I say who 10 cedis and say it's a good start. Now Fitch attributes much of the Cedi's strength to elevated gold prices. Gold no matutumu no and no na abua ma Cedi no etimi appreciate. Now forecasting an average of $3,100 per ounce for 2025, nearly 30% higher than last year. And I say gold prices no as a mi jemfi year juma pa. Etimi edru never can say gold board director. Etimi enya 30% higher increment than last year. Also this the firm says will support Ghana's trade balance and foreign exchange inflow. Say Fitch I say we should expect the Cedi to depreciate and the dollar to appreciate. And no Sunday, na bebosi because say the usu.
Anyway, say the we still day. We still day.
Osu.
Gang. For the base more updates as all of these various events unfold.